selling the old homestead. We've always had drainage problems on this driveway, so I decided to put a little ditch on the right side there, but two trees were right on the edge of it, and I was afraid they were going to hit the power lines up there. So I dug them out and pushed them over. They're tangled within each other, so I couldn't just pull one down without the other one falling and maybe hitting those power lines. So what I'm going to do is I got a chain on the Bobcat here. I'm going to pull that first one down since it seems like it's more on top, and I have a wire here I'm going to put around the other one to hold the tree down, the other tree down. And we'll see how that works. Hopefully I don't hit any power lines, because that would not be good. We'll give it a try. Chris is going to be your cameraman, and he's a lot better at it than I am. So I don't know how to pause this, so I guess I hit stop. Yeah. Here we go. Cable's caught on the roots. It's caught on, that's why my fingers and thumbs are bloody. Catching on this cable. Did I do it again? Guess I could have gotten this cable straightened out and ready before you started wasting film. That film's expensive. Ugh. And I've hit myself in the head several times with this. I'm kind of used to it now. Not really. I mean, I have hit myself, but I'm not used to it. Hopefully this tree is strong enough. I don't have enough cable to that big oak back there, so hopefully this will work. You don't have to get all this.
All right.
Oh, I left my chain over here. I'm gonna set this where I remember it. Help me remember.
All right. We'll remember by the video.
Next time we watch a video, oh yeah, that chain's out there. Okay, I'm going to have to drag it that way, I guess. It's not a good place to hook the chain on here. Well, here's a hole right here. Here we go. It's kind of thin, though. Okay, reposition. You can do tree drag, take two. try chopping these roots a little more with the axe. You can cut it. All right. I like to bring all the tools I might need. I almost hit myself in the face. That's good. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to pull it tight so I can see what's holding it. Leave your bucket up like this when you get out of it. That's what they tell me, at least. I don't know why I didn't bring the other shovel. Alright, you can pause it. This one's cut. I cut this one. Oh, it's cut twice. I didn't think any of this had. I think it's all back here. Alright, we can go charge the battery. Alright, well, y'all missed it. Sorry. The battery went dead. And the plan didn't go according... Well, it didn't go according to plan at all. I can't even speak English now. I'm so tired. I started digging with the shovels and picks and all kinds of stuff, and I thought, wait a minute. So I dug down. And I just... dug under the trees, both trees. Well, couldn't get that one to move because it was all tangled up down back in there. See that? So that's going to take some work. And the problem was I couldn't pull it back this way, so I had to build it up here. So now I have something to drive on. And I pretty much ruined my driveway. All I have is the road base up at the very top. And at the very bottom, and this is ruined. Plus, you guessed it, I cut the phone line. So that's going to have to be spliced. No telling how much that's going to cost. And well, I'll see how many more times I cut it before I try to do anything about that. Anyway, we got it down there, bottom of the hill. We're going to jack it up, or put some of those bricks down and put it up so it can be cut up with a chainsaw. And the chainsaw is another thing. I ruined it cutting on some roots. So it was my extra chain that I ruined. And I don't even know what happened to the other chain. Anyway, so we'll get back to work. You didn't get all that?
Oh.
I was acting. Okay, start it off. Don't ever get out with it like this. You can cut.
Oh.
I'm not sure where the tools are for this. I always kept them right here. Here's a chain. Ah, here we go. Got it. See how much fuel's in it first, I guess. And oil, bar oil. Still about a half tank. Maybe a third of a tank on the oil. Yeah, I messed this thing up. Tell me when. Action.
Go.
So I hope I tightened it correctly. It's pretty tight. Sometimes I do it looser than that.
Try it again.
And we'll see how this. I need a new spark plug. So what I did, I got a little gasoline and cleaned it with a wire brush. So we'll see if it starts. Oh, and always wear eye protection when you do this. Gabriel has a way to get this. Once we cut it up, he can take these logs.
All right.
You can let him know.
All right.
All right, you can cut. I'm gonna have to adjust.